In this section, we will learn about database, database management system, and data model. So what is a database? Database is a collection of information organized for easy access, management, and maintenance. For example, customer data, product inventory, visitors, register, telephone directory. So all these are examples of a database. Now, what is a database management system, which is also abbreviated as DBMS? So it consists of a collection of interrelated files and set of programs. So through these set of programs, users can access and modify the files. Main goal is to provide easy and efficient way to store, retrieve, and modify the information. So what are the operations of DBMS? So these are the 6 main operations of DBMS, database management system. The first one is adding new files, second one is inserting data, retrieving data, modifying data, removing data, and finally removing files. Now, what are the types of data model? So, the types of data model can be classified into 2 categories. The first one is record-based logical model, and the second one is object-based logical model. So in record-based logical model, the first one is hierarchical data model. Now what is a hierarchical data model? So in early 1960s and 70s, when the database concept was getting initialized, was in the starting phase, much data was not into consideration. Much data was not there to be considered. So at that particular time, hierarchical data model was followed. Now what is this model? So it is a tree kind of structure where one component is considered as the root of the tree and other as the branches. Let's take an example. For example, if we take the database of a college, so let student be the root of the tree, and then the branches can be the admission number, course, or the admission year. The course can further be branched into major subject and elective subject. However, it was very difficult at a later point in time to extract the value from this particular tree. To overcome the problem that was being faced with this particular data model, the concept of network data model came up. Now, what is network data model? In network data model, all the components were related with each other. So it was easy to extract the value of any component in the database. However, this was not an everlasting solution. To overcome this, the concept of relational data model came up. So the concept of relational data model is something that we are still using vastly. So in this model, there is a database and there are multiple tables, and each table is in relation with another one within that particular database. So we will learn more about relational data model as we progress in this course. For now, let's look at the object-based logical model. Under object-based logical model, there is a concept of entity relationship model, which is again something that we are going to continue in this course, but let's take an overlook of this entity relationship model. Now, what is entity relationship model? It is just a pictorial representation which gives the relationship between tables inside a database. Let's look at this ER diagram, the entity relationship diagram of a supplier chain. Here you can see a supplier table is having a relationship with the product, which is further having a relationship with the order item table, which again has a relationship with the order table, and then it has a relationship with the customer table. We will see and learn more about entity relationship model in the coming lessons. Hope to see you there.